Any mention?
File machine.
Supplementary is item number 1.
What is this, Mr. Sahu?
My lord, this is relating to GST matter. Actually, after promulgation of the GST Act, I automatically shifted to the GST regime.
Yes.
Thereafter, I file all these requirements as per the statutory requirements, and I file the returns. Everything is continuing. There is a difference in 3B file return and 2A form return. The 2A is auto-populated. This is not under my control. That is reflected in whatever the supply bills will be reflected in their 3B, that will be reflected in 2A form. So, and during this period, this year is pertaining to 18-19. During this period, the SSC was not able to see also the what is reflected in 2A.
Now they can see.
Yeah, now subsequently that has been rectified by the department in the
So
system.
what is the grievance now?
So during this period, we procured the material and we used in manufacturing and supplied, and I paid GST also on supply of the fine finished goods. There is no dispute. There is no dispute on the purchasing of material. There is no dispute on invoicing. There is no dispute on the filing of return. Nothing. Only dispute is there is a difference of 3B return filed by me and 2A reflected from the department portal. That is, there is a difference of 21 lakhs of rupees.
21 lakhs.
ITC, I mean, input tax credit. That actually that arises when sometimes the suppliers, raw material suppliers, they could not file their return in time, so that will not reflect it. Or it may be some dispute in that invoice by their suppliers end, so that is also not reflected. So that is not my control. So for that purpose, some representation are also made to the department government. Subsequent that was also considered. The 2A is not the complete statutory return to be considered for the payment of allowing the ITC. That is also settled by various high courts. Departments also that is accepting. So subsequently, in my case, that difference was there. I submitted all the documents. Department acknowledged me. I file all the invoices. I file all the certificates, whatever the available with me, and submitted with the consent GST authority. But they did not do anything. They keep silent. Subsequently, GST or ASMT 10, assessment 10 file was also issued. That means they have assessed that there is a demand of 21 lakhs. I submitted my reply also. That was also kept in pending, no consideration. Again, DRC 01, that means show cause notice, was issued against me. I submit the return, defense reply, no consideration. That's kept in Pandora's box. Thereafter, subsequently, I opted.
Where? Kept in Pandora's box?
There is no question, nothing. That's kept in Pandora's box. That's kept in the box. That is nothing.
Pandora's black box.
So subsequently, I opted for the amenity schemes also provided by the department. So because there is no tax liability, nothing. So I may be waived for the interest and penalty after proper verification.
So what happened to proceedings? It was, according to you, never considered at all.
No.
At all.
Yeah.
Never answered.
Nah. No answer.
May I cut it short?
Thereafter, order was passed.
Then your JC has been cancelled, your registration.
Yes, subsequently they have cancelled. I am not in a position to file any return or file to deposit tax. Nothing. My business has been held up.
May I cut it short, my lord? Will also kindly come to page 190.
190.
198.
I've not seen your prayer. What's the prayer?
Prayer is to cause this order, my lord.
198.
Yes, so this is the order in original, my lord, confirming the demand of 23 lakh something.
Yes, only where? I confirm the demand of excess input tax credit for only avail. Yes.
23 lakh something.
But 1019 amount is so. Yes.
Now they did not file any appeal against.
Why didn't file appeal?
No, my lord. Actually,
what is dated when?
Date was this date is in 2024.
Then
during this period, the business was not properly running.
Doesn't matter. It's not
so
properly running if we say
that's
it's
why,
not properly running
yes.
because the GST
So, subsequently,
your registration been cancelled.
yes. No,
Now
during
what
those
happened?
periods that was not cancelled. Subsequently, when amnesty scheme came,
Now, my lord,
I opted the amenity
Amnesty or
scheme.
amnesty scheme?
My lord, that is
What do we see?
Amenity scheme was
What amenity scheme?
for waiver of interest and penalty. That was there was scheme was
that's what I was reading in the petition also.
It's amnesty scheme, not amenity. What's amenity scheme? You
Well, page, then my lord, kindly come to page 218, my lord.
yes.
But they filed an application under amnesty scheme for waiver of interest and penalty, my
Let's
lord.
see. 218.
218, my lord. So this is the order passed in that application, my lord. If I may take your lordship to para 3 on the next page, my lord. Applicant has declared that no appeal or writ petition has been filed against the adjudication order, that the demand does not pertain to any erroneous refund, so and so.
Where reading from?
Para 3 at page 219, my lord.
Yes.
Para 3. my lord. Applicant has declared no appeal or writ petition has been filed against the adjudication order, and that the demand does not pertain to any. My lord, amnesty scheme says, my lord, if they pay the original amount, my lord, within a certain time limit, then interest and penalty can be waived by the adjudicator. Now what is the final para 4 of kindly see, my lord? Upon examination, it has observed that the total tax demand confirmed the order is 24 lakhs, of which only 5,48,000 has been paid. So the first requirement is, my lord, he has to pay the entire amount of tax
As per the
amnesty scheme, my lord, and then the interest and penalty can be waived. And so on that ground, my lord, the amnesty application was rejected, and subsequently, my lord, page 223, 223, last page, my lord,
they were imposed with cancellation registration.
cancellation of registration. Now they've come, my lord.
so actually there is a no tax payable.
Who's at fault?
And Lord, actually they have regularly approaching the department, but no response was received. And subsequently, when the appeal time was over,
See,
so
after the appeal
he-
time was over, you saw that amnesty
Yes.
scheme was
So
there,
that-
then you ran to take shelter
No,
away.
so that
but you
the-
didn't deposit the principal amount. So how
No,
did it fell
well,
consider
that is actually
amnesty?
my submission is that because amnesty scheme is itself, if there is no demand after proper verification of the documents available on record, so interest and penalty can be waived. There shall be no any demand for me. So that's why that is my only impression. So subsequently, I approached the authority for waiver of interest and
whoever's
penalty, and
your
subsequently
financial
that can be
advisor
taken.
in the company is not really up with the law. That means.
So, my lord, under these circumstances, it is very difficult
So going
to.
hot and cold, my lord. On one hand, they say that we are not filing an appeal against the adjudication order. We accept 24 lakh rupees, my lord.
No, we have not accepted. If
Then the
properly.
order reflects that.
Yes,
See,
sir.
the order
Actually,
says-
there is
the order
no
says-
demand. If
Let's see,
properly
listen.
verified my
The applicant
documents.
declared that no appeal petition has been filed against the adjudication
Yes.
order, and the demand not pertain to any erroneous refund.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So a self-certified copy has been submitted under 128A. Correct. So if you given that you're seeking amnesty to waive the penalty and the interest, that means you pay this 23 lakh. What is there for us to interfere? You have not filed appeal. Right?
Actually, that is
Sought
the case.
amnesty.
That
When
is the
amnesty comes.
problem created by the SSC, because he could not understand what the procedure to be followed during
That's
this
true
period.
also. Dr.
This is the
Modi, a
new
lot of-
act. So
lot of,
under the
lot of,
circumstances,
establishments are failed because they don't understand how the regime operates also. That's the thing. So
it's
when
very difficult to understand. All this is not.
My lord, at this
It's our
what
control.
If you lord issue notice, my lord, let them deposit some money, my lord.
deposit some money, deposit 50% of 23 lakhs. Then we get your registration back.
My lord, actually, as per the appeal proceeding, only 10% is allowed for filing
We
appeal.
have come before this
Only
court. We have
10%.
Yes, we have discretionary power. You have gone and said when you sought for amnesty.
If I will go
that we
for
have
appeal,
not-
but actually
See,
there is
listen,
no.
Mrs. Sahu, when you sought amnesty, you have made a declaration that I have not filed appeal, I have not filed a
Yes,
petition.
yes.
And so I accept the adjudication order. Correct. Now you're challenging it because now your registration been cancelled. So if you want your registration to be restored, they deposit 50% of the amount subject to further adjudication by this court.
So actually,
Thing
financial
functions-
condition is very critical.
matter.
So I may be allowed 10% deposit.
Heard
My
Mr.
lord,
Dees, heard Mr. Dees, how?
my lord.
Yes.
Actually, I may be allowed to reopen the registration. Then I will definitely deposit some amount. If your lordship is stating that, at
You
least.
can't have the cake and eat it too. It has to be something from it's given.
Yes, yes.
It's give and take.
I may be allowed 1 minute, my lord. I will take an instruction from the Yes.
Written instructions.
Yes.
If they deposit some amount,
Yes, yes,
we'll have
yes,
some time, yes. Then we will stay the, yes, something. What are other matters first?
Daily item number 1.
Please, Your Lordships.
Start.
Lordships, I'm praying for some more time to file my rejoinder affidavit, Lordship.
No, we'll close it, MSG close.
Lordship,
How many times have you prayed?
this would be the third time, Lordship.
I don't think so.
Lordship, third time, Lordship.
That time lucky, you mean?
Lordship,
Yes, appeal for the other side. Yes,
Lordship, she's appearing through visa.
yes. You're with Mr. Kayal or with whom? No.
SGT, Senior Standing Counsel Contempt.
Yes, so when?
Lordship may have it after 2 weeks, Lordship. I'll file it in the meantime.
Yes, MSG Cruz, the counsel for the petitioner. Is praised for the granted last opportunity to file rejoinder. Rejoinder is not by right.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, interim may be
Yes,
extended,
after
Lordship.
2 weeks, interim order of any different next days.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Hearing item number 2.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may become after 1 week.
Why?
Lordship, due to some difficulties.
No objection.
No objection.
No objection. Lordship, since next week is almost holidays, they opt.
Almost holidays.
Means from 5th
After
to
2 weeks.
Yes.
Item number 3.
Lordships. Lordships, this matter is connected to item 1, Lordship. I'm praying.
Correct, Mr.
Lordship.
Pandey?
Yes, Lordship.
List together with the
WPC.
131
Lordship. Lordship, interim in this matter may also be extended, Lordship.
interim order.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item number 4.
My lord,
Wait, this we other another matter. We have not called out the matter again. Can you wait?
no, it is
Number 4.
4. Item
you're
number
there,
4.
sorry. Yes, sorry. Same party with different case. Yes.
My lord, this is related to central exchange matter. Actually, this dispute is only non-payment of interest. Principal amount of 1,70,000 has been deposited, refunded to the appellant petitioner, and the interest portion is they have not paid. After writing the communication to the department have not given any clarification, and subsequently in this written submission before this lordship, they have stated that since there is no provision in the exemption notification, so they are not liable to pay interest. So actually this is not the fact. They have wrongly interpreted the exemption notification. Actually, this is relating to non-payment evasion of tax. The allegation in the so-called was evasion of tax by the petitioners.
This is of which round of litigation?
This is, my lord, is a 5th round of litigation. This matter was before she states, then it come to this honorable your lordship, before lordship, then matter referred to the Supreme Court, again came back to the Supreme Court for revision. The division also dismissed by the department could not succeed, and thereafter we applied for the refund. Refund has been allowed, but interest has not been paid. As per the, there is a departmental circular which is binding on the department, my lord.
1 second. Let's see.
As per the circular number,
1 second, Mr. Sahu. Where's the list of annexures? Okay, yes, let's see it. Got it. Have you annexed
My lord, page number
all the required lectures here?
Yes, or
Everything?
Yeah, 244, page number 244, may kindly see. There is a discussion and finding by the consent officer in page number 243, paragraph 8.
So, where's the part regarding interest, Dr. Mojika?
But here what happened, my lord? The responding company is operating from Bunny, my lord, and they claim input tax credit, central excise exemption, my lord, and pursuant to that, an amount of running into few crore rupees were refunded to them. They claim the refund.
You operating the tax holiday, the excise tax holiday?
Yes. That is, there is no dispute. That has been decided by the department also. That decided by the tribunal.
Covered that your previous covered that you
Yes,
did the tax holiday period.
Yes, there is no dispute on that.
Then what happened? Well, this is company is Isan Technologies, my lord. There was another company called Manaksha. Their sister companies or common directors. They were operating from Mumbai, Manaksha Limited, my lord. I'm just giving the backdrop to the case, my lord. Then there.
Familiar name, Manaksha. Anyway. Yeah.
Yes, my lord.
Also involved, I think.
Aluminum supply. No, not in that matter. Manaksha came again in the tin roofing seat case.
Oh, the tin roofing.
Same
Oh,
Manaksha.
yes.
Now, what happened? Well, their investigation unearthed that Manaksha did not carry out any manufacturing there. They did not carry out any manufacturing here. Just on paper trail, they're claiming tax exemption. So, investigation was started. They themselves, when investigation was started, they refunded 1 crore 70 lakh rupees back to the department during investigation. Just to save themselves. Now, ultimately, what happened? The adjudication order by this honorable court, we filed an appeal at that point of time. Justice Samadar was presiding over the bench. On certain grounds, the entire proceedings were quashed on ground of delay and other things.
Yes.
So then it came back that we have to refund the 1 crore 70 lakh to him. So we have refunded that, my lord. The deposit that which they made. Now they are claiming interest on that. Now there's a short question here.
No, but where's the provision that allows interest?
Yes,
Well, they are referring to 11B of the Central Excise Act, my lord.
Yes. Where's the High Court judgment? The next year? No.
High Court order.
Tribunal judgment is there.
They have not annexed it.
Where's it? Let's see. On what? Anyway, we're not going to just want to
It's not annexed. It.
My lord, Annexure A and Annexure B are the two judgments. The order in the original passed by the commissioner.
No, I'm not. I just want to see the order passed by this court later on.
Yes, that was is not annexed here.
Why?
It is not relevant. I thought that it is not relevant because
You will quash the proceedings. It's not relevant.
actually they
It went up to
accepted
Supreme Court
It
after
went
that.
to Supreme Court. Then we filed a review, my lord.
review. That was also
Review was also rejected.
In the
rejected.
Supreme Court.
Yes.
We went on SLP, my lord, against the order passed by this honorable court. The Supreme Court directed us to file review. The review was also rejected. So that matter is
There is no dispute on that. So I can only because they have refunded me the amount that interest portion is not paid. That is the
Let's see the interest part.
Section 11B. Well, in fact, there are some decisions I'm not ready with those decisions. Interest.
No, it's only grounds that there's no provision in the Central Excise Act to deny. You think there's no provision, to allow interest, correct?
Yes.
For this kind of payment.
What are you showing?
These are
There is circular. Circular number 984A of 2014. In paragraph 3.2, since the amount paid during investigation audit takes to collect the deposit under section 35F, the Central Excise Act 94 to section 2129E of the Customs Act 96, only when the appeal is filed and the file of the appeal shall be deemed to be the date of a deposit made in the terms of the same section. Then at para number 7.1, a simple letter from the persons who has made such deposit requesting for the return of the said amount along with a self-attested Xerox copy of the order in appeal.
So that order where allowing the refund does not touch upon the aspect of interest at all. No. He has not discussed it as well, whether they are liable or not, whether they are liable to pay or not. Yes. We'll send it back. That's not a question of interest.
Actually, they are liable to pay interest.
You're saying they're liable, he's saying he's not.
This is departmental circular is there at the rate of interest.
After 2 weeks on the period of N-Vazika to police authority. Yes. Similar cases there.
My lord, similar cases I have.
What court said that the parameters of 11B are defined? When interest can be claimed?
Anyway, you supply copy, we'll examine it, we'll have it next day.
The Supreme citation also there for the payment.
I hope it's not those citations are from unknown journals. I hope it's not from some unknown manual or journal you're citing. It's from some accredited journal.
No, GST, ESCAS GST, that is a.
You sure?
Yes. The citation is from the GST, ESCAS.
Otherwise, now some journals are writing their own laws.
No, that is a accredited, accepted by the Supreme Court, this ELT.
Yes. Out of 2 weeks. Adam.
Supplement 1.
I take the instruction.
10 lakhs you deposit.
My lord?
10 lakhs.
Is not in a position, only 20%, maximum 20% he can deposit.
How much?
Because 20% that means 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. 23 lakhs total, but 20% is the 4.5 lakhs I believe. Actually the plant is not running.
Doesn't matter, to revive the plant you have to make some investment again.
So if I will run the unit, then only I can do anything, because my registration is cancelled. I am not in a position to make any business. I am not in a position to make manufacturing.
4.5 acceptable.
That's too less, man.
5 lakh then.
I have already 5 lakh deposited. 5 lakh 82 is already aligned.
10 lakh is a good deposit. That will be a fair amount.
5 lakh 82 is already there. So
using this as a bargaining table.
No, my lord. I am by financial crisis. I am facing my conditions. Not.
What do you manufacture?
Caps, plastic caps and aluminum caps for fixing the bottle.
Oh,
and corrugated sheets are making for cartoon and all these things, packing materials.
8 lakh rupees only.
Okay. Seems like an auction. How much higher can you go?
My lord, only that much I take the instruction. He is unable to make all this.
You understand? The stay of the cancellation registration is conditional upon you putting up some amount. Yes. And the court feels that 10 lakhs is a reasonable amount. Now you say you're unable. So okay, fine, we'll concede to reducing by 2 lakhs. If you can put up amount, but otherwise no.
I may be allowed by ways. So
8 lakhs, huh? Yes. Yes.
By any means I have to run my business by law.
There's no miscase.
There's no miscase.
Yes, sir. Take down the writ petitioner concern. Years before this court, assailing an order dated 28/2/2025, passed by the respondent number 3, whereby the registration, where page that order?
Page
last
number
page 223. 223.
223.
But this is order dated 22/9/25.
22/9/25, correct? Oh, sorry, I saying order dated 22/9/25, page 223. Huh? Yes. Whereby the registration of the petitions concerned under the GST has been cancelled. Stop. Next paragraph. This is submitted by Mr. D. Sahu, General Counsel for the petitioner, that the entire issue, where's the other order?
That's amnesty 2218, my lord. So order dated 25/8/25.
Yes. That on adjudication order, the applicant had sought waiver of penalty and interest arising out of demand dated 29/4/2024. However, he submits the respondent authorities, though a certain amount had been paid to enable the petitioner to resort to the to avail of the amnesty scheme. The same, however, was not acceded to and resulted in the cancellation of the registration. Correct?
Yes.
He therefore prays that he further submits that with the cancellation of registration, the entire business of the petitioner has shut down, and even to furnish the amount which has been furnished amount as per the education order has become difficult. He prays in the interim that the cancellation be suspended in order to enable the concerned to commence business activities and to to commence activities and to deposit the amount. Stop. Next paragraph. Dr. N. Mozikala, DSGI, appearing for the respondents, has submitted that again the original adjudication order, that is February, correct?
Yes.
Yes, so dated so and so. The petitioner never preferred an appeal nor approached or filed a writ petition. Stop. The same he submits as evidence in the order dated 25/8/2025, when the application for waiver of interest and penalty under the amnesty scheme was rejected. So he submits that
Para 5.
he submits
Page 219, para 5.
he submits that as per circular number 238/32/2024-GST dated 15/10/2024, read with notification, general tax notification dated 8/10/2024, eligibility for waiver of interest and stroke penalty under section 128A requires full payment of the tax amount confirmed in the adjudication order. Stop. He therefore submits that the petitioner company, having not complied with this requirement, the registration is justified and deserves no interference. Stop. Next paragraph. And on hearing the learned counsel of the parties examination of materials, it appears that it is correct. It is seen as correct that the applicant, while seeking to avail of the amnesty scheme, had declared that no appeal or writ petition had been filed against the adjudication order. Correct. So accordingly, in view of these circumstances, in consideration of the prayer of the writ petitioner to enable him to recommence his activities, it is directed that the registration shall be restored subject to deposit of rupees 8 lakhs before respondent authorities within the period of
4 weeks.
4 weeks from the date of order is just after 4 weeks.
Any mention?
Yes, Mr. Mahanta.
Item number 85, Your Lordship. I have given the letter.
85. There are 85 matters on my list.
Hearing Ms. Warren, you become infructuous. On behalf of Ambos, 8910,
85.
85.
Yeah,
Item
come
85.
I am for the petitioner.
Your Lordship, we have already filed an affidavit as per Your Lordship's direction on the last date.
Only on
85.
yesterday.
We have filed the affidavit yesterday
Yesterday I have
only.
received a copy of the petition, my lord.
Lordship,
I have
this-
two pronged relief, my lord. I sought one, my lord, that my promotion was due.
You are appearing for whom?
I am for the petitioner. I am for the writ
You
petition.
are for which? For college?
I'm from 8910 because new development has been there. The deputation, who was in deputation, respondent 12, has been reverted back. So nothing survived.
I'm just coming to it.
Okay.
We have
So I
filed
am
an
for-
affidavit to that effect, Your Lordship, that it has become
So then-
infructuous and the department
Become
will.
infructuous.
Let me complete my. So, my lord, one grievance was, my lord, that promotional post where my promotion became due since August 2024, Your Lordship. That has been blocked by bringing a person on deputation from outside the
That's
cadre.
over.
That is wrong. Second, my case need to be considered, my lord, from the date it became due.
No, why show me the law that says that as considered immediate?
My lord-
Promotion of the right.
That's what. That's what.
Your
That's
Lordship may kindly have our affidavit, Your Lordship. We've stated
my
all
lord, what
this,
I
Your
did,
Lordship.
yesterday I received, my lord, late afternoon, my lord. Immediately I sent it. So far my client is concerned, my lord, she is in a conference in Hyderabad, Your Lordship. She is coming back tomorrow. So if Your Lordship kindly take it up on
We'll dispose it off. We see there's nothing remains.
Monday,
Yes, Your
Monday, Your
Lordship.
Lordship, take it up on
The matter is infructuous, Your Lordship.
Monday, yes.
Yes, a notification dated 28 October 2025 has been produced by Mr. S.P. Mahanta.
Your Lordship, this is also attached to the affidavit which we have filed.
Response 8, 9, and 10. Stop MST Yangi Bill and AAG is also submitted that the said notifications also been annexed to the affidavit filed by the state respondents. So both senior counsels submit that in these in view of this development, the petition was infructuous. So, however, Mr. S.N. Leonard Counsel petitioner praised that the matter be taken on Monday. Yes.
Much well.
Yes, on Monday.
This way you kept part of the record. Much well.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm trying to mention item number 84, Your Lordship.
I'm reading.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is a
I'm
matter.
reading.
I'm ready, Your Lordship. In fact, it was heard on the last occasion and on the prayer of the petitioner
You're
again.
ready,
It was.
no?
We need some more time, Your Lordship.
This is a case of
I'm
those
reading already.
designated for illegal occupants of designated forests, Your Lordship, where
Oh,
the
yes.
acquisition was
Where's
process
Mr.
was on.
Gautam? He's in the vicinity.
Your Lordship, he is not available yet today, Your Lordship.
Like this can be disposed of also, Your Lordship.
We need some more time, Your Lordship.
What time? Last time was heard, I think.
It was heard on the last occasion.
Anyway, after 1 week.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks, but next date no more adjournment.
Okay, Your Lordship.
You're Mr. Tiki Sama.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The Tiki Sama, they have of the petitioner pays for some accommodation. Let the matter appear after 2 weeks. It's understood next date. There shall be no further adjournment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If may please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted matter for today, Your Lordship. This matter it came day before yesterday, on the 28th, wherein it had prayed for serving on the newly implemented respondents. This is the matter related to the road construction and Nongstoin. However, Your Lordship, in the order, the same is not reflected, so I cannot take steps unless an order falls from Your Lordship.
Okay.
I will write, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 79, Lordship. Lordship, senior counsel is indisposed.
Sometimes connected to 80 also.
Lordship, 80 and 81.
Yeah, okay, after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 83, Your Lordship. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
You are
Your
praying for
Lordship.
whom? Petitioner?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Acquisition of land. Acquisition of land.
Anything remains?
My Lord, I'm not aware of this matter, my Lord. Much aware of this.
Why you are seeing adjournment?
Yes, the conducting council is not keeping well, Your Lordship.
Who demotor?
AH
whom?
sir,
He's tactically avoiding the case anyway. After 1 week, yes. Yeah.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 82. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yeah, objection, Mr. Datta?
No, I don't have any objection.
Okay, 2 weeks, yeah.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes.
Section 11 of the Arbitration Act for the appointment of the arbitrator. We have entered into a collaboration agreement with the respondents, and a payment to the quantum of ₹26 lakhs was made to the respondent in the bank to the respondent number 1 and 2.
Where's the agreement?
However,
Where's the agreement?
The agreement is at page number 24. And exhibit fee.
Where's the arbitration clause?
Well, the arbitration clause is at page 30, clause 7.
Okay.
Well, a notice has already been sent for the invocation under section 20.
Yes, heard. What is your name?
Advocate Priyanka Datta.
Her so and so issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Step to be taken within 3 days by said AD. Yes. Yes, and so on.
Very much.
Item number 2.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the instant contempt petition has been filed on the grounds that the respondent Contempt had disobeyed the order passed by this Honourable Court dated 26/8/2025.
What is the violation?
Violation in the terms on the grounds that till date the petitioner was based on the order, the petitioner, the Honourable Court had stayed the order passed by the respondent district council, whereby his service was being reverted back to the post of a casual employee was stayed. Thereafter, Your Lordship, on being granted this order, the order is at page number 7, annexure 1, 7 and 8.
So you mean to say that you're still out of employment?
No, Your Lordship. My humble submission is that he has intimated on being in receipt of this order, he has intimated to the respondent herein, and had then joined his service as a regularized employee.
Okay.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, he was, however, insisted to sign on the attendance register of a casual employee.
Okay.
Until date, he has not yet.
So even though, okay. Yes, you'll accept notice?
I'll accept notice. This, my lord, is related to all those other matters. Where in the case of the petitioner, my lord, he was appointed on the same day and terminated also on the same day by the previous executive committee. On the same day, my lord. Appointment and reversion.
How can you have such short service career? Yes.
So that is the entire problem. Anyway, my lord,
Anyway,
I'll accept notice.
Yes, you're Mr.
P. Lingdo.
P. Lingdo.
P. Lingdo.
That is a P. Lingdo Land Council issue notice. Mr. T. Lingdo Land Senior Counsel with so and so present accepts on behalf of the sole respondent.
Sole.
One no further notice called for. Just 2 weeks for instructions and activities.
Item number 3.
Highly obliged.
What is this?
My lord, here the petitioner, my lord, she is the daughter of late Thomling Suchiang, who has established and founded a school by the name Saulingdo Higher Secondary School, Maukayo. And my lord, after the death of the founder, that is Thomling Suchiang, the school managing committee and as well as in the general body meeting of the school, my lord, they have decided that they will appoint the daughter of late Thomlin Sucheng as in the post of peon in the school. However, my lord,
what kind of school is this? Aided school?
Deficit school, my lord. And what has happened, my lord, in the meantime, they have manipulated the record of the proceeding, my lord, and for which FIR was also filed and complaint was also made to the district school education officer. However, nothing has been done, my lord.
So what right do you have? Just because you're a daughter of a deceased founder?
That is one thing. However, my lord, we are aggrieved by the actions of the state, my lord. They have not done anything, even in spite of the fact that we have filed the FIR.
Committee is yours?
No, my lord. That is a previous managing committee has already expired, and the subsequent managing committee has done this manipulations, my lord. In spite of FIR, nothing has been done by the state.
How is it maintainable then?
My lord, we are aggrieved by the actions of the state, my lord. In spite of the FIR, nothing has been done, my lord.
What's the FIR?
FIR is at.
You're alleging forgery?
56, yes, my lord.
Oh, you're using that petition just to scare the school management committee to give you a job?
It is not that, my lord. Actually, they have done it, my lord.
Yes.
This is the FIR, my lord. Type copy is at page 58.
Translated copy.
Translated copy, page 58, my lord. Relevant paragraph is 3.
This is your prayer. It's for inaction.
Yes, my lord. I have made a prayer for
that. Prayer?
Prayer is at, my lord, page number 7. I have asked.
If for appointment, then sorry.
My lord, that is of course. But FIR also, my lord, I have made a prayer to direct the police to take actions on FIR dated.
See, your prayer should be given this for appoint a petitioner.
To act,
asking for
to act on the basis of the decision of the my lord general body meeting.
Yes, Mr. Varsaji.
However, my lord, FIR.
Lord, I will take necessary instructions.
But however, my lord,
FIR. He's filed an FIR now. That is a different procedure altogether, my lord.
But some action
investigation.
Some action has to be there, my lord. No investigation.
That will have to be taken by the police, my lord.
Why? You tell the court why is the writ not maintainable?
My lord.
You tell the court why is the writ not maintainable?
My lord, firstly, my lord, even the appointment of the petitioner is doubtful. Whatever claims she is making, my lord. Now manipulation. Now how is that to be determined, my lord? So
you filed? I have before the Superintendent of Police regarding inaction.
My lord, I have filed the FIR. No action. No. I have also.
Then if they have not taken steps, have you taken any steps after that?
My lord, they have of course approached the police. They have not gone to the SP. However, my lord, we have filed before the state education department also, my lord, the complaint. They have not done anything, my lord.
Mr. Sinkon, I'm sorry, I don't think
these are disputed facts, my lord.
Not disputed fact.
It is not disputed fact, my lord. As far as FIR is concerned, my lord, there has to be some actions, my lord. They have not done anything.
What's another new code? What is the section for filing application to on account inaction on FIR file, non-registration of a case? Has the case been registered?
My lord, we do not know. My lord, nothing has been done. My lord, we have.
You can't take a mandamus for appointment on the basis of something that's not verified.
My lord, we need some actions against the police officers, my lord, who have not done anything, my lord.
You first take appropriate steps through the normal course. Then, if it comes to a stage where absolutely no action is being taken on FIR, we are alleging forgery something, then yes.
No, my lord.
Take instructions. Otherwise, on the prayer, Mr. Ensinkon, just the matter next week, enable of the instructions. As have you projected your case? Sorry.
Item number 4.
Yes.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, this matter concerns suspension of government servant under Rule 10 of CCS rules, Lordship. The petitioner, Lordship, is serving as.
When was he suspended?
Lordship, he was suspended with effect from 11 June 2025, Lordship. Yes.
11 June?
2025, Lordship.
90 days have gone?
Already, Lordship. Lordship has recently passed, allowed a writ petition,
yes,
Lordship.
I remember this one.
Lordship.
Recent.
Lordship.
What is this code?
Lordship.
Any review, Mr. Sen?
Then I take instruction on. My lord, this person, my lord, he was arrested by CBI.
Doesn't matter.
serious
It's just
charges.
CBI, so what prevents Executive Council from sitting reviewing?
That instruction I shall obtain.
But Mr. Pandey, Land Council petition issue notice. Mr. SM is present, accept notice on behalf of
All the respondents.
Respondents, no further notice called for. Just after 2 weeks for instructions and affidavit.
Civil applied, Lordship.
5.
Yeah, there was one case recently from this court, I think. Yeah. Yes, MS Pla, what is this?
Lordship, the petitioner is one of the job card holder of Nayagaon VSC, and he was elected as the president of the said VSC on 6 June 2000.
petitioner?
Petitioner.
The petitioner was elected as the president.
Yes, president of the said VC on 6 June 2023. And according to this order dated 6 June 2023, his term will expire on 5th June 2000.
His or her?
His or her. Her term shall be expired on 5th June 2026.
Okay, what happened?
Lordship, surprisingly, respondent number 7 has passed an order dated 26/5/2025, where he was removed from his post without prior notice to the petitioner. So
She was removed from the post.
she was removed from the post without prior notice to the petitioner.
Where's the order?
Lordship, it's in
Page 10, ma'am.
26/5/23.
Page 10. Type copy is 11.
Page 10. Which page, MS Love?
Lordship, it's in the writ petition. It will be in page 18. The type copy is 18A.
Where shouldn't you have been removed? Now this Zahendara baby is the new president.
Yes, Lordship.
Where's the order whereby you said you were elected on 6/6/23?
Lordship, it's in page 15A. The type copy is page 15A.
15A.
Lordship, my name has been reflected as Munara Wara Bibi here, but my actual name, here I have filed the affidavit also that my actual name is Munara Begum.
It's all right. Why? What is the reason you were removed?
Lordship, I was never informed of the reason why I was removed.
What grievances? See, the order says that adopted so and so, and the grievances were heard and are demanded by job card holders of so and so to approve the newly elected members.
Your Honor,
That means there must have been some allegations against you.
but Your Honor, there is nothing.
You were not heard or asked for show cause explanation.
Nothing, Lordship.
You take instructions.
My lord, we'll take instruction on
Lordship,
this.
I have filed my miscase also.
This case will
This
come to
case,
the
my
next
lord, will
day.
not,
Let it
because
come
they have
in.
come after a long time, my lord. March, my
Yes,
lord.
but,
Lordship, after a long time we came because the reason was that the VSC has been changed to, but the VSC has gone to Batabari. Before it was under Demdema block. After that,
doesn't matter. Yeah. Heard MSML Cloud, so the government issue notice. Ms. Alconi
127.
We have response 127 notices to issue to the remaining respondents within 3 days. Just have to tweak instructions affidavit stop.
Lordship,
In the
there are
interim
three
prayer
private
of the petitioner
respondents also.
consider the next date.
there are 3 other private respondents also.
Yes, take steps on them.
My lord, we'll take instruction.
Yes.
Number 6.
May please, my lord. Already see the instant case is against the Imperial Order 14/6/2023, whereby the executive committee appoint a lingdor in the Walang Khandai Kintoj, whereas this Walang Khandai Kintoj falls within the CM Hima Nuspung same ship, and Hima Nuspung there is a CM, and then out of no notice, nothing. Then the EC appoint Lingdo in the Walang Kanaikan Toy. My lord, this is the case is that I came to know in the month of August.
Who are you?
September.
You are a Lingdo?
I am the acting Sardar.
And Sardar of
Walang Kanaikan Toy. This issue, my lord, was raised in the year 2014. Then the issue has been done in the year 14 itself. Later on, my lord, in the year 2021, they issue a notice to the CM to take up the matter, whereby the acting CM also has replied to that letter by the EC, stating that if I may be allowed, my lord, to can we come to.
So who appoints Lingdo in this Walang Kanaikan Toy?
The EC.
No, who appoints normally?
The CM.
The CM appoints Lingdo. Okay, Lingdo is part of the Darbar.
No, there is no Lingdo, in fact, my lord.
There's no Lingdo?
There is no. There is an acting Sardar.
No. There is an office of Lingdo, correct?
No, my lord.
No.
So far there is.
So there's just is a new creation.
Yes, my lord. Because.
How is that possible?
My lord, because
now Lingdo Kanaikan Toy comes under Nongspung or is a separate entity?
No, my lord. The Walang Kanaikan Toy falls under the jurisdiction of Hima Nongspung Samship.
Okay.
And then all the norms and condition and all was under the manage of the or controlled by the acting
So
Sardar.
you're saying that there's never been an office of Lingdo?
Yes, my lord.
The CM replied that there's never
My
been an
lord.
office of Lingdo.
Since the year 2014 also there's no Lingdo.
There's no history of any
My lord.
Lingdo.
My lord, so far I'm concerned.
I mean, like
My lord.
Lingdo Kanaikan Toy.
My lord. If there is.
And then there's only a Sardar, you're saying.
My lord.
Where's that? Let's see. Very interesting.
If there is a Lingdo.
Reply. Where's the query of the? Is the council? Where's the reply of the CM?
Well, can you come to the report dated 4/9/2014, which is page number 21, and the type copy is the 22. If I may be allowed to read. To the CM Himanongspung Simship, subject appointment and selection of Sardar within Walang Kanaikan Toy Nongspung Simship. What is respected sir, with reference to so I was informed to intimate you that the executive committee of the KHADC, after they have decided in relation to the above mentioned matters, it would be correct to return to you by the aforementioned matter, so that we will arrange it as per the rules and regulation number 7 of the United Khasi Jantia Autonomous Council, appointment of chief and headman. Here, my lord, if we can see the below, they stated that copy 2 so and so.
Yes, copy 2
my lord. Then, my lord, can you come to the report? After the report of.
Where's the report?
That is annexure 5. Annexure 5, my lord. Page 27, my lord, the translated copy. The type, yes, a translated copy. Here, regarding with this letter, my lord.
See, but then it goes back to 1931, where they said there exists Sardar Walang Kanaikan Toy. See, read this last paragraph.
Well, according to the ruling,
whose letter? This is from the CM only.
This is from the CM.
According to CM Proceedings, on 27 December 1931, the Sardar Walang Kanaikan Toy decision was confirmed based on a confirmation 6 from Bachnong on 18 December 1931. According to CM Berbasi Nongspung's ruling, Sardar can be confirmed confirmation of only 5 from Bachnong. Also, the name Walang Kanaikan Toy cannot be changed in the future. According to CM Berbasi's ruling, 22nd December 1931. According to the ruling of CM Sonso, which is a challenge of Sonso.
As the Sardar, my lord. The letter is in connection only with the appointment of Sardar. Here, my lord, if I may be allowed.
No, just one thing, Mr. Hakim. Just clarify. You are submitting that there's been no office of Lingdo.
My lord, so far I'm concerned.
But then even the report issuing shows that in 1951, someone was elected as Sardar of this, of Walang Kanaikan Toy.
My lord, I am the Sardar. The Lingdo is different. Now I'm against the appointment of Lingdo, my lord. I'm the Sardar. There is no Lingdo. Now I'm against open.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord. Come to show where when the reports given that category stated there's never been a Lingdo.
Can you come to Annexure 6, my lord, which is also the report. Here, my lord, the translated copy is 31. My lord, here, my lord, taking advantage of that, my lord, one Sri name Sken Lingdo. Now let me read, my lord, regarding with the matter of Sodar Walang Kanakan, we were sent back to the CM Himanungspung and the Executive Darbar Himanungspung. The application of Sri Sken Warjri dated 12th July from the Executive Committee Khasi Atomrachal Consent Shillong through the letter so and so dated 4 September 2014, which was called to Sri so and so on 19th to examine the application of 12th July 2014 that was sent back to CM of Himanungspung to be judged according to Section 7 of the United Khasi Janti.
You mean to say that this Lingdo first came up here only when this fellow claimed to be Lingdo
my lord
of Walang Kanakan?
My lord. Then now let me come, my lord. And then the third paragraph or fourth paragraph of this report, my lord. Shri so and so, who live in the village of so and so, came on the 19/9/2014 to the Nongspung Hima office in Nongspung in front of the CM and Executive Darbar of Nongspung in reply regarding his application,
okay,
which was sent
further. Let's not waste so much time. So he claimed to be Lingdo. And what happened? Third
my
report.
Lord. Then, my lord, the person who claimed as a Lingdo could not show his sanat. Those days that from where he got the sanat being as a Lingdo, who appointed him? Then this matter being closed, my lord. This matter being closed, and then the letter 3, my lord, 3 Annexure 9, page 40 and 41. This is the letter dated 3rd February 2021. This is the letter also by the. Now the chapter since 2014 has been closed.
Yeah.
Now again in 2021, the letter by the EC, which is Annexure 9, my lord, 40, 41.
Yes, page 40.
The type copy is 41, my lord. To so and so, the work of Lingdo Walang Kanakan thought. In relation to the above cited above, in which letter dated so and so, are attached for your knowledge, you are hereby instructed to inform us that you will be so kind to provide clarification on all of them and send the report to this office within 20 days from the date you received this letter. This letter, my lord, the same, he replied to this letter, which is the Annexure 10, my lord, page 40 or page 42, and the translated copy is 44. Let me read only the last portion, my lord. Page 45.
Yes.
Paragraph number 3. In 2014, the office of the CM Himanungspung, through its letter number so and so, had appointed.
We understand, yes.
My lord.
We understand that there's no Lingdo exists and only Sardar should be able to oversee.
My lord, my lord.
Entire
my lord.
Yes, Mr. And where's the impugn order?
Impugn order is. Will come to the impugn page
order?
50.
Page 50, yes.
How was it revived again?
Yes. No, my lord, it was not revived. My lord will see, para 1, the sanat dated so and so of 1901, dated 5th September 1901. In this sanat, so and so. Now, my lord will come to 2, sanat dated 28th February 1980. This sanat also was issued by the same. Then, my lord, next page.
No, I understand that now they said that there was Lingdo. Then, but who appoints him?
It's the same.
Then how can the executive committee appoint Lingdo? Where's the appointment order?
No, we have directed the same. It's not that the executive committee has appointed.
They directed the same regarding with the norms and condition, my lord.
To appoint a Lingdo?
Appoint Lingdo. My lord, surprisingly, my lord, after in the month.
Let us file our affidavit, my lord, because the order.
Because see, the thing is that if there was Lingdo in 1901,
yes,
then again in it was continued or discontinued, we don't know, maybe intermittently.
Yes.
Then there was no Lingdo of how many years now, as per your submission, before this letter came? Till at time the Skin Warji was asserting himself, you were thrown out.
No Lingdo.
You were thrown out.
No. Sodar is there.
He said, okay, I'm the Lingdo, I was thrown out. Not
yeah, my lord.
You said it got over in 2014 when the CM again gave the report as a council that there doesn't exist an office of Lingdo and that you were a Sardar. I said, I'm Sardar, have overall control and administration of this Lingdo.
My lord.
Of this, right? Right.
And now, my lord, the conditions laid down in the order issued by the direction given by the EC, and the condition laid down in the Senate appointed by the acting chief to my to my appointment are totally confusion to the people.
No, but there's no Lingdo as yet.
My lord, but this order, my lord, will affect. It will make the people of that area
because
confusion.
now Lingdo has been given authority village administration also. If he's elected,
my lord.
If he's appointed, I mean,
yes,
if Lingdo is appointed, it means there'll be a clash of offices.
And the strange.
It would appear so.
Then, because actually Lingdo, if he sits in the if the Lingdo should sit in the executive darbar of the CM, Sardar does not sit in the darbar, right?
The entire
Sardar should be just. He just be part, like, representing.
So the entire issue, my lord, is whether in this Kandai there should be a Lingdo or whether there should be a Sardar. That is the issue, my lord.
Or even as a Lingdo and a Sardar also, they should operate in the different. Like Lingdo will be a member of the Darbar of the CM, and you do village administration.
My lord, if it is,
we will file a affidavit, my lord. This order was passed in 2023.
The order of the district council.
Of the district council.
If
it's taken so long.
2023.
My lord, in the month of August and September, we've heard from the villagers about the impugned order. Then on the 2025, we sent a letter to the acting chief not to give him approval. Then
who is the candidate now? There's a person in country.
No, I don't know from where is this Lingdo also.
Yes.
My lord,
heard Mr.
My lord, small prayer. I also pray that this impugned order may be stayed, my lord.
Yes, heard so and so. So issue notice. Visiting Legislative Council with so and so present on behalf of respondents 1 to 4. No further notices to respondents. Notice to issue to respondent 5 acting chief Simanapung within 3 days. Stop. The issue in question in the incident petition apparently revolves around the office of Lingdo of Kandai Kantoi, Walang Kandai Kantoi Nongspung's aimship, which the petitioner asserts, which the petitioner, who is a Sardar of this area, asserts that this office has since been discontinued. Stop. Mr. S. Karshiyang. Yes, correct?
K.S. Karshiyang.
Yes, Senate Council has submitted that the District Council, the Council respondents, however, by order dated 14 June 2023, which the petitioner has just 2023 had directed for the direction that to hold elections.
There is no election, my lord. No notice also when this was issued.
Where's the direction in this order?
In the order itself, my lord, in the impugned order only.
Who's this Torian Noir? You know, Binama party?
Yes, that's the thing also, my lord.
Is he functioning as Lingdo now?
No, my lord.
Then your representation is incomplete. See, this one, because just now, there is a committee of the thoroughly examining this matter decided that the position of Lingdo Walang Khandai Kantoi existed since ancient times, and according to custom and tradition, there is a Lingdo rule in Walang Khandai Kantoi which has been chosen by War the Warajik clan. Therefore, the committee directs the announcement to issue sanat to Sri Torian War. Has he been issued sanat?
No, my lord. So far,
my lord will see the last page, page 57.
Very strange.
Yes. My lord, last page 57.
Yes.
With reference to subject cited above, I, the acting CM, want to clarify that the matter related to Lingdo of Walang Khandai Kantoi, I can't say anything about this matter because this has been informed to me by the office of the EC, Shillong, as per memo number dated 27th August 2025. They have not added that. So there is an order, my lord, which they have not annexed.
You just file an affidavit, you bring on record, you impede the other party also.
Yes.
My lord, I'll...
And also this order, my lord. Otherwise...
It's an interesting matter, but anyway, we heard
my lord, if this order is still operation, my lord, it will make the people of that area very confused.
Let the status quo be maintained.
Yes.
Let this matter be stay, my lord. Let this order be stay, my lord.
Question of staying the order 23 does not arise at this stage.
However, directed for the issues of sanad to one story and war
has not been
the new lingdo of Walang Khandai Kantoy. Stop. He therefore prays that in the interim this order not be given effect to, as the terms of the sanad has created confusion amongst the minds of the residents of Walang Khandai Kantoy, and will also intrude into the administrative responsibility of the writ petitioner. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned Senior Counsel sees once reviewing for the respondents state that the matter deserves consideration, in as much as to verify as to whether the office is in continuance customary, whether this office is a customary office which is still in continuance. Stop. He prays that he will he submits that an affidavit will be filed within 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Well, I before this,
comparing the council parties, stop and considering the circumstance of the case, let this matter appear for 3 weeks. In the meanwhile, directed that status quo should be maintained. It is also noted that Sri Storian War has not been implemented as necessary party, though directions contain implement order for issuance of sanad to the said person. The council is permitted to bring an act to implement for the necessary parties, also to bring additional materials that may be necessary for education of the matter. Just after 3 weeks.
My lord, highly obliged.
Item number
You have to
7.
be clear. You know, if the order says proper, you can implement that person.
Maybe I missed out. My lord.
Of course, you missed out. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
These matters are relating to certain people.
Where the affidavit?
I have filed the affidavit, my lord, but there are certain errors, my lord, and which I lead matter is item 15, my lord, item 50.
At 55-0.
Meaningless.
So we'll dispose these matters of today.
Lordship,
yes.
What has happened, my lord, I have filed the affidavit, there was an error, my lord, so we seek permission
What error?
to withdraw and file correct one. I have got the correct one.
Watch.
Correct affidavit.
We thought that we are going to dispose of the matter at the division stage only.
Your lordship may have it on 4th, my lord, your lordship, by the time they will
Lordship.
come and join us also, and then I will be physically present to argue the matter also on 4th.
We are required to respond to the
Because there
affidavit.
are about more than 100 petitions of this nature.
Yes, 100 petitioners. Okay. Then an Advocate General submits that the affidavit file. It's in 438, 2025. I think submits the affidavit file in on behalf of the state respondents. Yes, 438 is defective. He prays that he allowed to withdraw the CM and file a fresh affidavit. Stop the CM not objected to by the counsel for the petitioner. Accordingly, prayer is allowed. Yes, so fresh affidavit we file within.
Lordship is already ready. We'll be filing today.
It will be filed.
Lordship, advance copy has already been given to
the list for 4th on 4th for the joinder. You can file the joinder by 4th.
Lordship. We'll try, Lordship, because we're not sure whether that affidavit is taken on board or not, because they're just filed us. We're not sure whether this is on board or not.
What objection will be only on law, correct? And only on the what? What's that memorandum dated?
25/9.
Legality of the.
Lordship, we'll file a rejoinder to this. 4th will be too short, Lordship.
Then 4th will be too short. We'll have it on.
Maybe on the week after, Lordship.
Yes, we'll list it on 12th then. You'll be there?
12th.
12th. Yes.
That should
Just
be
matter on 12th for rejoinder of any.
the interim orders will be good.
Of course, interim orders continue.
Lordship will finally hear the matter on 12th, Lordship will, because everything is has come to grinding halt, the recruitment process is also.
Well, grinding halt. You've been using the services for 10 years. Nothing
15 to
come
20 years.
grinding halt. It's not that you throw them out of employment, yes.
Lordship, the matters are all these matters, Lordship, the connected matters. Oblige.
All connected matters, Imam. Yes.
Oblige. Highly oblige.
Daily list item number 1.
Number 1. What daily list?
My lord, I'm praying for some accommodation in this matter, my lord. Some difficulties, personal difficulties, because I have not prepared them, my lord. I have already informed Mr. Dingdo, Senior Counsel Dingdo also.
When you do? He's appealing with you. The other petitioners. Where's the respondent? Just. You made a chart also?
My lord.
Yes, when?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
I have already informed them beforehand, my lord. Day before yesterday, my lord. My difficulty.
Where's your senior?
These are all those matters relating to those service matters of this council.
For disposal.
The pleadings are completed. It can be fixed for hearing, my lord.
Once it goes to hearing, it'll go into.
It's up to your lordship, my lord.
We'll hear it, yes.
My lord.
But they're all still in service or some out?
They are all in service now, my lord.
Where's Mr. Jimra?
By virtue of the order of this honorable court.
You call him. How many connected petitions are there?
My lord, total 36 of them. 1 to 36.
36.
I'm appearing from 1 till 33. Then 34, Mr. Walang is appearing.
Where's Mr. Walang?
35, 36, I'm appearing. 1 to 33, 35, 36, I'm appearing. Mr. Walang is appearing.
But Walang's got one only.
34, yes.
Yes, he's seeking time.
Yes, yes. Inform me due to some personal difficulty.
When
There's urgency in these matters.
It's urgency, yes?
Yes.
I'm praying for after 2 weeks, Malad.
2 weeks?
Yes, Malad. 17th.
You take a date then. Yes.
17th, Malad.
18th. Yes, on the 18th. And Mrs. Walang.
Yes, yeah.
Who will hear a matter only today?
24, yeah.
Since you have only one matter.
Yes.
You can hear a matter today?
Yes. No, not today. On the same, on the next day, yeah.
Okay. 18th. If you hear your matter, I'll cover all the matters.
Yeah.
Yes, on 18th.
18th. The interim order is there, Malad.
Interim order will continue like this.
Highly obliged.
Interim also will be. Obliged.
37.
Appeal is still pending, Your Lordship, in this matter.
It's coming up on the 11th of November, my lord. The main appeal, my lord.
What's the matter about?
My lord, here, lordship.
What's contempt?
No, my
At
lord.
least after 3 weeks. In the prayer of the land council with the parties.
37, 38, my lord.
As the appeal against the order stated be violated are still pending consideration.
39.
Yes, so 5 to 9.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I pray for 2 week times to file the affidavit for the respondent 5, 6, 8, and 9.
Why you've taken how many times now?
Your Lordship, the draft is ready, and I just need the signature of the client, Your Lordship.
What is your name? H. Namplo.
Ithaba.
Yes, on the prayer MS also. For the 2 weeks I'm out for affidavit of respondent's number 5, 6, 8, and 9.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What about number 7?
7, it's ready. We have filed.
You already filed.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
40.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 10 days time to file the rejoinder, Your
How many
Lordship.
times you prayed? This is the third
Your
time.
Lordship, the affidavit was filed on the 22nd, 9, 2025. This is the third time, Your Lordship.
Final opportunity of 2 weeks allowed to the petition to file.
Interim order may continue, Your Lordship.
Just for hearing thereafter, interim order to continue the next day.
Lordship.
I do oblige, Lordship.
41.
You are a petitioner.
Lordship, we have filed a rejoinder, Lordship.
Who's appearing? Who's for the petitioner? S. Pandey.
Managing committee, Lordship.
Yes?
We have
Which
the
school
state.
is this?
Lordship, this matter can proceed for hearing, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Have we posted?
Yes, the party submit the please complete. Pose the matter for hearing.
After 2 weeks, Lordship. After 2 weeks.
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
My lord, may I take a passover in this, please?
What is this matter about?
My lord, this is a matter for non-civil service being appointed into IAS. Recommendation to IAS.
Yes.
My lord, I'm not yet a party in this matter. I'm seeking lordship's indulgence for me to file.
Then you file application pleading.
I want to file an application, my lord.
Who are you?
I'm one of the contenders, my lord. In fact, my name has been forwarded to the UPSC. So any result in this case, especially a positive result for the petitioner, affects me, my lord.
UI Bank is for a passover. The same is objected to by other respondents.
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2 for a state.
Yes.
My lord, we will be filing our affidavit. Can you tell me 1 day's time, my lord?
What about 3? MPSC. You won't file affidavit. And what about 4?
I already filed my affidavit.
Yes. From the MSOI Bank, please that the matter be adjourned for the day. Mr. J. Zanja, Learned Council, GF1 and 2 submits that the act will be filed within 2 days. Mr. B. Snaitang for number 3. Submit no act will be court count as respondent. Mr. Debnat for 4.
Already filed.
The act has already been filed. In the course of the proceeding, Mr. S. Jandal, Learned Council has submitted for this court that though his client is interested, he has not been made party in the instant proceedings. He prays that be allowed to include an application for consideration. Prayer is allowed just after 1 week for the orders.
Okay, ma'am.
43.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, our rejoinder is ready. You have sent it for signature. Kindly 2 weeks may given, Your Lordship.
You will send pictures there. Did the clients don't come here?
We have to send, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord.
Further 2 weeks time is allowed. Second time I'm praying.
Third time.
Final opportunity of 2 weeks allowed to MS Yamunaman, the Council of Petitioner to file the rejoinder.
Lordship. Oblige, Your Lordship.
44.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I paid for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit.
How many times you prayed?
This is the 4th time, Your Lordship.
4th time, Lordship.
The 4th time?
Yes, Lordship.
Very fair, yes.
Lordship, this matter pertains to gratuity and leave salary, Lordship.
Is been sanctioned?
Yes, Lordship.
Is being sanctioned or not the amount?
Sanctioned, Lordship.
Where's the annexure? Where?
That's number 16, Lordship. Nature 6.
So now they're getting money, they should pay you.
Yes, Lordship.
So you were here yesterday also. Similar case, correct?
Yes.
You need affidavit. I don't think you need affidavit. There's the instructions when can you once they get the money, how long will it take to pay him? Okay. Mrs. Idakhar, MS Idakhar, Vice Miss SD appearing for the respondent. Some of the two affidavits have not been filed. We will have to obtain instructions as to how soon the gratuity and other government benefits of the petitioner can be released. So, just after 2 weeks. Just update because you'll be getting the money from the state government. So all the employees have to be paid.
Much problems.
45.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavits.
May it please, Lordship.
The concerned matter, Lordship.
Lordship, I require some more time. Lordship,
Pension matter?
Pension matter, Lordship.
Why what's the delay?
Lordship, the delay is the matter was endorsed to Mr. A. Moment, Lordship. Right now, we're trying to get the brief back from him. We're also trying to get the
Has it been filed at all?
My lord, not yet. Lordship, instructions are with Mr. A. Moment, but we still yet to
How
get a
is his
brief.
health condition?
Lordship is still recovering. Lordship, we still left side still.
How about the young
Otherwise,
man?
from our end, we're trying to get the brief and
Yes.
the instructions.
Yes, Message Corona Place was allowed 3 weeks time to obtain instructions to file affidavit. Yes.
I do oblige.
46.
As he has just been assigned the brief.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, we're praying for 2 more weeks' time to file an affidavit.
What's the matter about?
This is regularization, Your Lordship.
Work charged employee, they've prayed for
I've prayed
regularization.
for the 2 weeks time allowed for the affidavit by the respondents. Yes.
47. May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we have already filed an affidavit of service to bring on
Yes.
record the service of notice.
So this
Upon
on
respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
we have already filed affidavit, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No one's appearing for number 5.
As of now, no one, Your Lordship.
Number 5 is whom?
It's
It's a
a
private respondent.
second wife. This case relates to marital dispute between 2 wives, Your Lordship. Petitioner and the respondent number 5.
You sure you sent the right address?
Yes, Your Lordship. This is the address which we got, Your Lordship.
Yes, who's there for respondent number 4? No one.
4 is
You already filed affidavit?
not yet, Your Lordship.
Why?
I'll be filed within 2 weeks because I was on leave for 20 days, Your
You
Lordship.
want to leave the poor people to suffer?
No, Your
because
Lordship, I'll be
council on leave.
filing shortly, Your Lordship.
Then?
2 weeks, only 2 weeks may be granted. But number 4 is AG, Your Lordship.
Where's AG?
Accountant General.
From MS Bharatchari Council for State Respondents 1 to 3 please for up to 2 weeks. Well, affidavit stuff. There's no appearance on behalf of respondent number 4 or respondent number 5 persons been served with. Just up to 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
48.
My lord, I'll be filing the affidavit in course of the day, my lord.
So on the last day also they said the same thing. There's some
No,
urgency.
my lord,
in that
last time
matter.
I prayed for time. Mr. Sen was not here, my lord.
It's just a tentative view. I don't think you have any vested right.
Just try make an attempt, my lords.
Of course, everybody makes attempts.
Your Lordship, after having the state affidavit, then I have to decide whether I have to file my affidavit.
It's a very heavy decision to make.
Because,
The OM is issued by them, so they have to take an independent stand. They can't rely on the state government. my lord.
It's not the stand of the union. It's the stand
No,
of
but it's the OM that was
stand of
issued.
Mr. Debnath. You understand?
Your Lordship, in this
He
matter,
decides whether, the union, it's necessary to file affidavit or not.
Your Lordship, in this matter, long back.
Irrespective of what ministry says.
No, Your Lordship, this similar matters. Long back we have this. When you are the petitioner in this petition, Your Lordship.
When I was a petitioner in this petition, what kind of submission is that?
No, Your Lordship, this one case, Your Lordship.
Then bring out the judgment.
This I cannot I'm just going through this letter right now.
How many years ago?
It was our old court. At that time we were in when this negligences come up and central pool was decided.
I can't recollect. Anyway.
So Your Lordship, I believe this state will be the main. Then after this, I can
MS
decide.
Arconi pays bonds allowed for a 2 days time to file affidavit. So Mr. R. Debnath submits that the filing of the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 4 will hinge upon the contents of the state affidavit. This after
After a week, my lord. Obliged.
49.
Mr. Nongpur, look for a reference, whatever. If he says that there's a similar matter which has been said long ago.
I'll try.
State law, sir.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I am entering appearance for respondent number 5, managing committee.
Number 5, Tagore is that is a school managing committee.
Yes, madam. I am
number 6. So and
State Lordship, 1 to 4.
so service is complete. Have you filed affidavit? No.
No, Lordship.
Lordship, if I can just point out a small submission, my lord. Now, this is a case Lordship has issued only notice. Rule is yet to be issued. Now, on the basis of the materials, my lord, this case is not maintainable. So, if your Lordship post it for, my lord, admission hearing, my lord, at this stage, I am not filing the affidavit, your Lordship. Because on their own materials, because this is the, my lord, there was the first round of litigation. The writ petitioner, my lord, has been declared not qualified, and matter went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court upheld the decision of this High Court.
Oh, it's regarding that age relaxation?
Exactly, your Lordship. She is age barred. Now, how she can come and complain against...
Datta, I didn't appear in this matter, I hope.
No. So, my lord, this is not maintainable. Lordship can post it for admission hearing. At this stage, we are not filing any.
Mr. S. Sen, the concept that appear in behalf number 5 and behalf number 6 as such. Notice is complete and all the respondent stuff. MS NG shall please that allowed how much time?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
For the time to file affidavit to stop. However, Mr. SN submits that no affidavit before coming from the response 5 and 6
at this stage
as a main validity of the petitions in question. Accordingly, this matter for adoption hearing after 2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Supplementary 1, item number 1.
Where's MST Sutna?
Please, Your Lordship.
This case created a lot of problem for you.
Your Lordship, it came on the 28th, but there was no order to take steps on the newly impleted respondents or registry.
Where's the last order?
Will not. It is 28/10/2025.
MST Sutna, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner submits that though the prior response have since been impleted.
Your Lordship, respondent 6 to 13. 13
have since been impleted. However, no order. There is no order yet for service notice upon the said respondents. So he prays for and allowed him to take steps within
2 weeks time, Your
within
Lordship.
2 days.
2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
You take steps within 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship, because we have to send it to registry, then we have to post it as well.
So take step within 2 weeks. Yes. Prayers allowed. Yes. Notice to issue to the said respondents.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary hearing, item 40.
The question was this, my lord, whether I can get a stretch leave for 24 months or not, my lord. That has been clarified by the Government of India, my lord, Ministry of Personnel and Training. Yes, please take. My lord, may kindly see that the undersigned is directed to state that a number of...
1 second.
Yes. The undersigned is directed to say that a number of reference for grant of study leave for a period of more than 12 months at a time is relaxation of Rule 51A of CCS rule leave so and so, so and so, so and so. Now, second paragraph is very relevant, my lord. The issue has been considered in this department and it has been held that the grant of the study leave for a period exceeding 12 months at a time does not involve relaxation of Rule 51A of the CCS leave Rule 1972. It is therefore clarified that the ministry department are competent to sanction study leave in
Yes.
of the power delegates to them under the first schedule of the central so and so, so and so, my lord. So it is not a case, my lord, where they cannot give it at one stretch 24 months, my lord.
Yeah, Dr. Mojika.
I'm placing 2-3 days as well, along with the written synopsis. First decision is Sanjay Kumar Bansal, State of Punjab. Para 2, there's special leave is not a matter of right vested in the employee. It depends on the administrative exigency. Very short decision, my lord, but succinctly lays down the law. The next is Delhi High Court decision, my lord. Lots of kindly comes to
para 21, my lord.
Yes.
Second decision is Chaman Kumar, Delhi High Court, my lord.
Yes.
This is a division bench, Justice Sikri and Rajiv Sahay. Para 21, my lord. I'll just read few lines on it.
Yes.
Para 21. Though you must admit that thought of letting the appellant complete his higher education and of this court not coming in the way thereof has crossed our minds also, but this logical side of our brain for the following reasons tells us to decide otherwise. As the term study leave denotes, it is a permission for absence from employment or a duty or authorized absence, and thus cannot be claimed as a matter of right. Without permission of authorization, there can be no study leave. Merely because an employee may be eligible for leave does not bind the employer to grant such leave. The employer, in taking decision on application of leave, is entitled to consider not only the eligibility of the employee for leave but also other factors as to its own functioning, and if it does not find it convenient or practical or conducive to its own affairs to grant leave, is entitled to refuse the same. It is the prerogative of the employer to act according to the exigency of the situation, keeping in view the best interest of administration. The paramount consideration is in granting leave for an educational institution is not only the convenience of the teacher but the welfare of the students. The authority which is to sanction leave can take into account all the relevant facts and either grant or refuse leave. The employer herein being amenable to jurisdiction, this court in exercise of powers of judiciary will only to see whether the refusal of the leave can be said to be arbitrary, discriminatory or malafide, and is otherwise not to sit in appeal over the decision of the employer in this regard. It is after all the employer who has to manage its affairs and decide whether it is convenient or not to grant leave of absent, and the court cannot interfere therewith. Third one is the Supreme Court Rajiv Sarwal, para 5.
This Chaman Kumar next twice in this copy. Yes.
The third one, para 5, the last page.
Yes.
Ordinarily, study leave can be availed for a period of 12 months, but may be extended up to 24 months during the entire service.
This can exceed 24 months, fine. Yes. That's it.
So, our case is even if it is eligible, my lord, in other parameters, it is.
So you say that the court not interfere with the discretionary or with the exigencies that are expressed by the employer, correct?
That's all. That's our case.
Yes.
Two things only I will figure it out, my lord. Is this the cases which has been placed by my learned senior? I have not gone through also. He is just supplying me, so I'm not making any comments on those judgments, my lord, because I have not gone through. It's not proper for me. Only thing is this, my lord. Can this court entertain the respondent's submission after thought, my lord? My lord may kindly see.
After thought meaning?
Meaning means, my lord, how, for what reason my leave was not granted? What was the reason given? Can they go beyond that and submit before this honorable court at this point of time, my lord?
No, that will
what was the reason? What was the reason, my lord? The reason was this: it doesn't fall within the parameter of the rules, my lord. My lord may kindly see page 44 of my writ petition. Page 44 is a translate copy, my lord.
Yes.
The reason, last two line, has been rejected by the competent authority for not falling under the rules for study leave. That was the only ground. Now they have taken out hundreds of grounds, my lord. That, my lord, I may not answer to that, my lord. But, my lord, I have shown to this honorable court that, my lord, my application was within the purview of Rule 51 and 50, my lord.
Yes. That's anything else?
No, my lord. I have nothing else to say, my lord. Moreover, only thing is this, my lord. My written argument may be considered, my lord. I have submitted my written argument, my lord.
You will pass order this,
my lord. Hello, bless.
When is your course starting? You said,
my lord.
Last year, my lord.
No,
that is a point raised. You have not addressed that point.
My lord.
Is it already over?
No, my lord.
No, last year's admissions are over.
Last year admissions is over, my lord. Now, my lord,
show that you've been.
They have assured me that they will give it. They have given me a write-up, my lord. I have enclosed, my lord. I have enclosed, and if
where's that?
If required, my lord, I will supply a copy to the bench assistant today itself, my lord. That they have extended my my application, my lord. And what
is that? It's been supplied.
I don't know, my lord, whether it has been enclosed or not, but my lord, we have.
Has been given to the court? No.
Well, kindly see page 37, my lord. This, what is under consideration is a leave application for the year.
No, that is what. No, because you didn't address that just now. So I'm just raising the concern.
As a Mr.
Should it be a futile exercise?
Page 37, kindly see, madam, of the written petition. This is application, my lord. Para 4, my lord. Therefore, I request your kind office to grant me an OC for the permissible as well as 24 months study leave with effect from 16/9/24.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord, they said, my lord, within this month I can take the admission for this.
Where you said?
My lord, they have assured me, my lord. If required, I will get a copy. I will get a copy from the university and supply it, my lord.
Get it.
I will get it, my lord. Give me 1 week time. I will supply it, my lord. Since it has been delayed so long, my lord, so I will take.
The only point you have is with regard to the manner of refusal, not on exigency. Just that it doesn't come in the study leave rules. And then you do one thing. If you're going to file that, you file an affidavit also.
My lord, I will file it. I will file it, my lord.
Yeah, so there's no. Then your apprehension of urgency that you take admission by 31st. That's not correct then.
So I can follow, my lord. What is?
You have submitted that this matter deserves expeditious and urgent hearing because he's taking admission on 31st October.
No, they have said yes, my lord. 31st. They have said me till 31st of October, my lord. But now, if this is an order of this honourable court, my lord,
as they on the query of the court as to whether the writ petitioner is whether the writ petition admission is still open.
Yes,
in institute praise you have to bring on record,
my lord, some documents, my lord.
Letter
from the university
certifying the same.
Yes, and an affidavit to will enclose that affidavit.
But it should not be post dated from today. It should be antedated. Remember that.
Sorry, my lord.
You said you have a document showing that.
No. What I'm saying that if required, I will take a letter because they have assured me verbally. I will take a letter, my lord. It's not that I'm saying backdated. I have a letter with me. I'm not saying that. They have assured me. Post dated, I will file a my lord application.
Yes.
86.
Also reserve it. Also reserving judgment.
No, let him produce an affidavit first after 1 week. Then we'll pass order on that day itself.
86.
The last order to say.
Yes. You're supposed to obtain instructions with regard to low medical category of hypertension, whether it be entitled to lump sum compensation. Forgotten, I think, to take instruction.
The instructions have come, my lord, but he's not answering that question. It only says that
you get specific. That's the only question left.
Lordship.
Because he's totally, reduced his entire grievance to that point.
Yes, Lordship.
Dr. Musica prays for allowed further 2 weeks' time to obtain specific instructions, considering the low medical category of hypertension for eligibility to be granted lump sum pension. Lump sum?
Compensation.
List upon you and so on.
Suffering from high cholesterol and blood pressure.
That also can be given lump sum compensation.
They're saying it cannot. It is not attributable to service.
87.
87 and these are also connected.
88 also.
88.
Yes, just together. That's it.
Does remind me. I'll ask a specific question.